Okay. Well, I take it I knew what that plane was this time. Obviously, this time this was an Scilly one we've just seen. That was an Scilly Skybus I've just seen this time, which, as you can see, the reach is G-ISSG, that is, and you can see the type of it is Havilland calendar DHC-6-300. So as you can see, that was the Skybus we've just seen this time though. As you can see with the call sign IOS515. As you can see here, look, it's just, as you can see, this is where it's just flew past over me though. As you can see here, look, the star wave here was about 18,000 feet. That's when he just flew past over to anyway. Let's have a look where it's come from. So as you can see, this is where it departed at. As you can see, this is where he's been today, apparently, over to Exeter Airport. As he took off at 4:18 p.m. This is where he took off at Exeter Airport at 4:18 p.m. So yeah, I think this is the time it took off, apparently. Whereas they've also got another plane coming in though, which I think this one we're going to see in a minute though. Which I don't know where the other one is though. So yeah. So yeah, so that's the Skybus one I've just seen apparently. But I'm just going to wait for the other one to pop out anyway. Because I think the other one's about to come over anyway, but I can't see where it is though. So yeah. So as you can see here, look, I think it might have took off from, yeah, where we see here, look. You can see it's going from Exeter to Scilly. Looks like it's heading back towards St Mary's Airport now by the looks of it. As it's now dropping out at 17,000 feet. I think this is where it's now starting to drop to by the looks of it. Dropping at 70,000 feet. So as you can see here, look, this is how much flight past it's been doing anyway. Or as if the other plane's just now turning by the looks of it, but obviously this one we might catch to see in a minute though, but I don't know. But I don't know what that plane's doing though, to be fair. This one's the IOS anyway, but anyway, as you can see now, it's now heading back towards St Mary's Airport, which this is now going back towards there apparently. Okay, so yep, thanks for watching, bye bye.